Hey crafty friends, welcome to the channel. Let's get started on another beautiful collection project share by Decorate Your Life. Grab your scissors, glue, and your favorite collection and let's get started. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Sunday, which is my day for Decorate Your Life. Today I am working on something not in this journal, not in our folder journal, but something completely different. This week I was watching the other ladies, and I got to tell you, everybody has been on fire this weekend. All the ladies on the design team, Sandi, Jenni, Edwina, Dalia, Denise, Monica, and Leslie, and all of us just have been working on some fantastic ideas. And so, having watched everybody's video, I was inspired by several people on the team, which is why I invite you, when you're done watching my video, is to go down to the description box, click on their videos, and get yourself introduced to everybody on the design team, because everything they do is just absolutely amazing. So then we've been working in this one. Like I said, this one is a work in progress. I got this done, the little envelope here, last week, and what I wanted to show you this week was, look how cool by accident that lined up. So it's like a little envelope, a little letter sticking out from the page. And so, like I said, this one's a work in progress. I am getting lots and lots done in it, but I'm maybe about halfway. This is where we keep our magical 15% off discount code. You can either use the QR code to take you straight to Sandi's shop, or when you're done at checkout, just type in Rhonda 15 and enjoy 15% off your cart. So that's that guy. And then I did the envelope last week. I keep coming back to that. It's just such a cute page. So last week I did the envelope. And this, wasn't that cool with the 3D flowers? I thought that one was fun too. But somewhere in here I have an envelope. Did I pass my envelope? I probably passed my envelope, which was done maybe towards the front. We got to find it because that was one of my faves. I really had fun creating that one. Now, what did I do with it? All right, let's just go through one page at a time, because it is in here, I promise, and it is on this side of the page. Or did I put it in a journal? Because I feel like if we don't find it in here, that's because I put it in a regular journal. But I thought it was in here. It's okay, because the regular journal is here on my desk somewhere. And we'll have a flip through it too. So I haven't done the cover on the, yeah, I feel like I put it in the regular journal, and we did this page in this journal. I just love this. Kind words are like honey, sweet to. That came to me from Etta, and I just thought it went nice with that page. That's why I put it in there. Yes, our other page that I am looking for is in this journal. Now this journal we still have to make the cover for. Yeah, it's right here. This was so much fun to create. So this has actually got a workable envelope. Then you open it up with the magnet, and inside you have some more beautiful ephemera. I just thought that was fun. And then I need to cut some stuff to go in there, and I will. But I wanted to get to the today's project, okay? And this was a lot of fun to create. And this is where I got inspired. Okay, I thought The ladies are making the Mimdexes and having a blast with it. And I actually made one, but um, I'm not really good at making Mimdexes. So I said, well, what if I make a combination, something that would sit on my desk and be decorative and hold pockets. Okay, so when you turn that upside down, if you switch it around, it would go that way. Same with this one. When you flip it around, it goes to that one. This is one that I actually finished embellishing, and basically I layered this up with cardstock, and then I cut these out. Let me see if I have an example of those. I cut those out for me because I felt like I would be more accurate. See, and then I just cut them to fit. And these I may put in there and put something else on. Depends on how thick this gets, okay? So I ran a piece of green ribbon across here. And then down the sides, I used purple lace. Down this side and this side, just like so. Like that and like that. And that way, my index cards are easier to reach. And they go right in there. So each one will have a Mimdex or a memory card or an index card. Blah! And then you will just flip it over. And this one will get one. And see, this is where I left off. This is the reason this green ribbon was born, because I put it on upside down. And I said, well, guess what? If I put a piece of green ribbon across there, it's going to tie in these three pieces, plus it'll cover my boo-boo. So anyhow, then I said, well, this is all well and good, but what happens when I'm all done with it? How's it, how's it going to stand up? So I went to my handy dandy Cricut maker, and I went into design space, and I went with an easel stand. So it will stand now. So while it's on my desk, it's going to look like that. So that was my make for this week. Ooh, one of my blue flowers fell off. I have my flowers on here, and I lost a blue flower. I have to find my blue flower or get another blue flower. But I had a blue flower right there. Let's just get another blue flower. So anyhow, this was a lot of fun to make. It went together pretty quick. And so now I just need to finish putting my lace on the pockets and trimming out my index cards. Just getting them ready to go in. So there again is our front. And then I managed to get this one completely done. This one right here. So she's done. This one. And it didn't take long. I think it probably took me the whole project about 45 minutes to even get this far. And so it goes really, really quick. This one, I had put the green lace or the green satin trim at the bottom, and then a piece of washi tape over it. So it kind of just brings all of those colors together. And this came from my Wishing Wednesday gift from Miss Jenni, and she is the owner, operator, and designer for Decorate Your Life. And so this summer was a cozy summer, and we were working with 3 different collections. They were the Spring Cottage Blooms, Honeybees, and Summer Breeze, and Spring Cottage Blossoms, if I didn't say that already. So anyhow, there we go. Now it'll get a little thicker, and if I have room, what I'll probably do is come in and I'll put 2 index cards together the same way I did with this, and they will look, well, they're here. I know they're here. I had a whole 150 of them minutes ago. Well, if and when I find them, they're just going to go in underneath here, up at the top, and they'll just be an index card on the, it's like, did I lose them or did I just put them away? Who can say with me, right? But anyhow, when I'm all done with that, that's going to go on my desk at my job. I wonder, do you have anything? Ooh, we have the purple. I wonder if I should put purple. Let's just play, guys. Since I can't find what I'm looking for anyhow. Oh, here, they just popped up. So like these. Would go here. And they would fit right there. Yeah, I think I will do that because they'll fit nice. Let me show you. They will fit nicely on the top. And then I will come in with my let's see, where does it go together at, guys? Let's see. Well, I lost my card too. Maybe we weren't meant to do this, but anyhow, it'll go right here, like so. So there'll be different colors for each one. Maybe I should just take this whole thing apart, add those, and then put this back in. There they are. There they are. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Because I can always bring this back, right? Yes, I can always bring this back. And then when I'm all done, I'll put them together. So this one will go up here, like so, and then this one will go here, like so. Let's see, we got blue. Let's go with it. Bright yellow. That'll tie in with that. Yes, yes, yes. Just like so. And you could switch these around. You can put whatever ones you want up front, and whichever one you want in the back, in the back. I pretty much decided just to go with the line side to the front so you can write on it. Put your information on there. Like so. And then you can come back and embellish those if you want. Okay, we used a bright yellow. Let's go with kind of this teal blue. This guy will go up here. So you get the idea, right? And these will be kind of cool. And again, you can do whatever you like. And what I love about the collections are that they are all very interchangeable. There's Sandi's designs really well like that. So she's definitely got the handle on this design stuff, and her collections are absolutely amazing. Okay, come on up. So we'll go there. Get these back up here because I don't want to have to fish for them, you know what I mean? Okay, so what color haven't we used? I don't think we've used the pink yet. I'll go pink on purple. And then I'm going to end it here, guys. And next week, come back with possibly the last episode or the introduction to a new one. I don't know yet. We have not. I'm going to keep working with this one until further notice, actually. Okay, so here we go. You don't forget, like I said, go check out the design team. You just be completely, absolutely, 100% totally thrilled with what these ladies create. Oh, that was the last one. Yay. We're all done there. Okay, so now I can put this one down. We can start closing these. So now I got my little middle pieces, or my extras. And I may do some more embellishing on the back of those. I don't want to put anything too thick or lumpy, because I want you to be able to lay it down and write on it if you need to, or pull the card out of a pocket and write on it. All right, so there we have this, and this. Just look at that. Put her in the stand, and we are set. I absolutely cannot fathom not using something like this. I love it. Thank you, Miss Sandi, and thank everybody. All of you who are joining me each week faithfully, I appreciate you. Those of you who are new to my channel, you're appreciated. And I hope you'll spread the word. We're having a lot of fun over here in the Diva land. And really just an extraordinary joy to work with these collections. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a beautiful rest of this week and a new week starting.